This video tutorial will teach you how to determine the limiting and excess reagent by calculations, how to find the theoretical yield of a product, and how to calculate the percent yield. So, at the beginning we have in this question 1.4 grams of nitrogen reacting with 4 grams of hydrogen. So, first we need to find which one of those is the limiting and which one is the excess reagent. So therefore, you just create a table for each reactant. So here is a table for N2 and here is a table for H2. Here I have given 1.4 grams and here I have given 4 grams. Remember that every time you have a mass, you have to convert it to mole. So 1.4 gram of nitrogen will be divided by the molar mass of nitrogen, which is 28 gram per mole. So over 28, and the answer here is equal to 0.05 mole. Now, hydrogen, 4 gram, I will divide it by the molar mass of hydrogen, which is equal to 2 gram per mole. So over 2, the answer is 2 mole. Now, in order to determine which one is the limiting and which one is the excess, you have to divide the mole by the stoichiometric coefficient. And the stoichiometric coefficient are the numbers used for balancing. Like, for example, for N2, it is 1. And for H2, it is 3. So here we say 2 divided by 3. And here we say 0.05 divided by this one. So the answer will remain 0.05 and here 0.66. Now you compare which one is the smallest value, this one. So this would be the limiting and this would be the excess. Anytime when you determine which one is the excess, put an X on this reagent in the equation so you will not get confused and use this 4 gram in your calculations. Now, part B of this question says, calculate the theoretical yield. Every time they say yield, it means they want the mass of a product. Theoretical yield means only mass, not mole. Mass of a product, which means the mass of NH3 that you can calculate on the equation. So this type of question is mass to mass calculations. I have mass of N2 and I want to find mass of NH3. So the mole ratio to be used here is 2 over 1, unknown over known. Now this mole ratio, you cannot multiply it immediately like that by the 1.4. This 1.4 must be converted to mole, which we already did. And here we divided the 1.4 by the molar mass and the answer was 0.05. So here I can immediately use 0.05 multiplied by the mole ratio. If I stop here, I will be finding the mole of NH3, but the question asks for the mass. So again, I have to multiply by the molar mass of this one, which is 14 plus 3, 17 gram per mole. So multiplied by 17. And the answer is going to be 1.7 gram. This is the theoretical yield. Finally, part C in this question, it says the actual mass of product obtained is 0.85, which means that this is the actual yield. Calculate the percent yield of this reaction. Remember, in your exam, always write the formula before you start solving. So the percent yield is equal to actual yield over theoretical yield multiplied by 100. So it is 0.85 divided by 1.7 multiplied by 100. And the result is 50%. So this reaction is 50% efficient. Thank you.